Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Alright, today the topic is how to make money as a digital nomad. Alright, so find an easy way to make money. So the best thing is the best industry, it's blockchain, it's crypto, it's Bitcoin and the altcoins. Alright, so I will show you one of the best things, the best way to make money as a nomad. So have a look, pictures of people going all over the world and printing money. They're making money in their digital things, so either programmers or freelancers into let's say as an artist, Fiverr type of things and all. No, these is a different type of approach. So the motto is this: take more chances, dance more dances. All right, so have a look, all these guys, they're making money from under a palm tree. All right, so have a look here on the beach, have a look at all these pictures. All these guys are making money just traveling the world, and it's really easy. The biggest money in the world are in the stock market, crypto market, commodities. So the best thing is this: go and ask the GPT-4 or any AI to find you a beautiful arbitrage deal. All right, so hunt for these deals that will bring you money, either or. Okay, so you have to place two types of orders. This is the easiest way, and at the end of the event you are making money. So let's give you an example, and we're doing this live, and I'll show you how to do it simple and simple and simple. So remember, have a look, XRP, like Ripple, it's 60 cents. Okay, remember the numbers, and we'll see in the future, we'll see immediately what's the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin just got approved, the ETF, so a lot of money will flood in crypto. All right, especially on Bitcoin. So I'm expecting a lot of mutual funds, pension funds, hedge funds, and a lot of bankers will start buying Bitcoin and promote it and sell it to their clientele. All right, so have a look, go to Binance or find any of your brokers which are trading options. They let you trade options. Okay, I am on Binance. All right, I go options, I go classic options, and I go on Bitcoin. Remember, Bitcoin right now it's $46,270. Again, 46,270. Okay, so I'm expecting these to charge, and have a look. My target is this: I place an order. The main bet, I'm placing two bets. My main bet, I go here on the 26th of January. All right, and I need the numbers in here. Click just a second, and I'm going here, and I'll show you. Okay, price 46,318. Okay, so the price on Binance right now, because it fluctuates, is 46,335. all right, again, this contract, it's the main bet. After that, I'll place the second bet, which is actually an insurance, or yes, because I put a smaller amount in there just to recover my money for the first bet and the second bet, because of the trend, it's bullish, and the trend is my friend, and I'm following it. I'm expecting huge money in the next few months. There will be $1 trillion coming into crypto. You'll see it. The market capitalization will grow with an extra $1 trillion in the next maximum 3 months. Mark my words. All right, so again, the Bitcoin is 46 something, and I'm placing a call, an order that it's roughly, let's say, it will cost me $4,345 roughly. Okay, I'm placing a bet 43 call that expires on the 26th of January. Okay, so again, 43 call, whatever it will be in the next few days, over 43 plus these $4,000, so 47, it's my profit. So I'm placing this bet expecting to double or triple my money, just because I'm expecting this to go over 53,000 or more. Okay, so again, this is the strike, 43 tau. This is the price, roughly 4,000. So I'm placing $1 million, a contract that's worth $1 million. So there's going to be few contracts. So the bet, it's worth $1 million, that it goes over 43. So roughly, for me to be even, is 47, because this is the premium. $4,000, it will be the premium that I'm paying for this bet. Okay, and then I'm counter bet, and I'm going in here on XRP. Okay, and on these, same story, I will place a bet that expires on the 19th. So all these days till the 19th, because I'm expecting Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday a lot of money will flood from the banks into these ETFs, into these trades, and a lot of bankers, especially Americans, will buy into it. Okay, so remember, it was 60 cents, and I'm betting a put order. Okay, so this is a bet that XRP goes down as a backup, and it will cost me, let's say, roughly 1.9 cents, 1.9 pennies, that it will go under 57 cents. Okay, so I'm expecting a big move, either up or down. On a panic, this is just a backup. On a panic, if somebody if something happens, that's why I'm placing a small amount of money. Let's say if I placed $1 million on that, I will place on this order just about, let's say, 450,000. So if the market crashes, I'll recover all this money, the million plus these. Again, let me place it for $500,000, so $500,000. You do your own mathematics, you do your own calculations, but I'm exaggerating here. But half of the money that you put on the first thing, place it on 57 put. Okay, so go on this thingy and place this bet. This way you're covered, and expect the positive thing that Bitcoin will go further up, just because of the momentum, just because of the hype, just because of the ETF that just got approved last night. So I'm expecting good things, and as a digital nomad, I am doing these type of trades. I'm following them, I'm watching them, and I exit somehow early from these trades and make money. Printing money, it's so easy. So learn these trades, and go and ask around, where do I find another opportunity? Where do I find another arbitrage deal? Because there are so many events in the world that some things will happen, and it will be a big movement in the markets, that when you place these two trades, one direction will bring you more than what you paid in, what you invested. Okay, so I'm expecting on my deals, because you follow my other videos, you will see that I'm expecting on some of my deals 700%. So I'm expecting a 7x on one of my trades, the before trades, that you can see them in the other videos that I made. All right, so again, as a digital nomad, learn to trade options, learn to place two bets, find arbitrage deals. So thank you very much, and have a profitable day.